On. Hello everybody and welcome again in Inspire Forex. We are about to give you an amazing tool that is online for free. Okay, so this is our YouTube video, our free stream on YouTube, which gives you all the raw signals that our scanner delivers every single day. Okay, for you is just to filter them and to trade them in order to be profitable. Now, what is the difference between these signals and the one that the scanner, our scanner, gives to the paid membership people? The difference is that all the filtering, and there are also other tools that we use, is made automatically in our Singularity scanner, while here it is not made. I mean, you have the raw signals and you have to filter them by using only these indicators that you see here. So now the indicators that are here, there is this trend table, okay, which shows the trend direction and shows the power of the trend. Then there is the correlation, market correlation, okay. There is this Mending instinct, which is a custom indicator. Nobody in the whole world have this indicator. This doesn't exist, okay. It is not based in technical indicators, nor in news, nor in nothing. It is something that we created, and it is unique to us. And I'm going to explain how important is this indicator that you see here. Okay. Then you have the graphical strength matter and the currency strength matter. The bar one, okay, the one that shows you in real time what is the strength for each pair, so which is going stronger and which is weaker. And in the chart here you see actually how it performed during the last 2 hours, okay, how it was. So if you see if it's going down or if it's going up, and you can decide whether to trade a pair or not, okay. So you can filter the signals here. Now, as I mentioned before, these are raw signals, so I don't recommend you to trade them all, okay. You have absolutely to filter them, otherwise you'll not get any profitable trading activity. So this is why. Let's start with the trend table. So the trend table, it's easy to understand because you have the trend, so you know that once you are in a trend, then you can trade it if the signal direction has the same direction as the trend. Okay, so we have, for example, GBP CAD and GBP Kiwi. So if we go and check on GBP CAD, GBP Kiwi is a buy. Okay, so according to the trend, it is tradable, it's a tradable signal. And then we have the GBP NZD, which is always a buy. And no, sorry, GBP CAD, where is, okay, GBP CAD is a sell, okay, while we have a buy signal at this case, so this is not a tradable signal, starting from the first filter with the trending table. Now, as you see, this trending table doesn't report only bullish and bearish trends, okay, it also reports the ranging trends. And let me tell you, okay, this is something that nobody in the whole world also have, okay, absolutely nobody. So you don't have any dashboard that tells you that a trend is ranging. They tell only if it is going up or if it is going down, and you see it switch from bullish to bearish and never stay in the middle, so never stay in a ranging trend. So this is the only table where you can see a ranging market shown, okay, by a software. So this is one of the first things that we have unique in the whole world. Then it is easy to understand what it is used for. So whenever the market is ranging, don't take any of the trades that show for that market here. Okay, so if market is ranging, don't trade. Otherwise you can use, for example, an opposite trading. If it says buy, you can sell. If it says sell, you can buy. But it is not a very good tool, so it doesn't give a very high success rate. So I don't recommend you to trade on ranging trends. So just give up, I mean leave it. Then we have the correlation market. The correlation market actually is the last tool you have to use, because the correlation, the market correlation tool shows you how the markets are moving compared to each other. So for example, if you have a CAD yen investment, okay, and it is going very good, then you see what is near CAD yen to trade. So you have GBP and ZAD, and you have Euro and ZAD, and you can open some trades even on these two pairs. Okay, but it's not enough. I mean, you can go even in the opposite side, which is the one that goes in the opposite, the worst one, let's say. Okay, it is USD CAD. So if CAD yen is in buy and is performing better than every other pair, USD CAD is in sell and it's performing better than any other pair. So if you are trading on USD CAD in buy, then you can trade USD CAD in sell in the same time. Why? Because they are, it's called, it is an inversion correlation or negative correlation. Okay, so they are correlated negatively. So if CAD yen goes very high in buy, then USD CAD will go very low in sell. Okay, and you can use even the Euro CAD at this point. Okay, so from one single signal that you may get from the table here, you can multiply the number of signals just by watching the market correlation. Okay, then you see, you can check even the trends power, so the strength meter for the pairs. For example, if you are trading CAD yen, and then you're gonna see CAD is the strongest and yen is one of the weakest. It's not the weakest, but it's one of the weakest. And we have NZD here, CAD, NZD CAD, for example, which would be a sell, I think. And here it is the third one. NZD CAD is a sell. So let me just make this image a little bit bigger so you can see better. Okay, NZD CAD, no, this is, okay, NZD CAD, here it is. So you check if the performance on the strength meter is tells the same thing, then you can go free. But the most important one of all this dashboard is this indicator here. As I told you, it doesn't exist anywhere else. Nobody knows how it is made. I know how it is made. I'm the only one to use it, and I'm the creator, the builder, let's say. I don't create nothing, but I'm the builder, the inventor of this indicator. Now, what is the role of this indicator? It is very easy. It will show you what are the best times to trade. Okay, so you have the signal and you know the direction to take, and you see that all the conditions are met. Okay, but is it the right time to enter now, or do I have to wait a little bit more? And this is what this indicator will tell to you. Okay, so whether the indicator here shows a bearish movement, then do not enter in a trade. Whether you have an open trade, then just collect your profit and leave. Okay, and wait. Don't touch your MT4 or your any platform. And if this indicator creates a bullish movement, okay, for example, you see that here there has been a bearish trend of this indicator, and then suddenly it goes up and it tries to get down, and then it goes higher. At this point you can start opening your positions. Why? Because it's telling you that the moment to start trading has just begun. Okay, it has been a short moment. I mean, here we have around 40 minutes from 10 to 10, yes, up to 20 to 11. So it's not, it was like 50 minutes of momentum, but you see when to enter and you see when to collect the profits. For example, you see that the market, the indicator got down here, and then it tried to get higher and it got down again. Once that it breaks this trend line, the bullish trend of this indicator, then you collect your profits. Okay, don't wait anymore. Don't wait anymore, because you will lose your gains. Okay, you can always expect for a pullback from the market and start over again. Okay, and this will show you when is the moment. It goes up and it turns down. It goes up and it turns down. Now, something else I would recommend you is to start trading when this indicator is above 4.5 or 5%. Okay, why? Because under the 5%, generally it shows some very quiet moments of the markets. Okay, quiet markets. So if you get into a trade, probably you are getting into a low volatility market, and the target should be absolutely very close, very small targets. So this is why when you see that it is under 5% or it is moving under 5%, then probably we have quiet markets, we don't have volatility, so the time I get the target will be a little bit higher, okay, will be a little bit long. Now it is getting above 5% right now, and also it is creating kind of a triangle here. It's coming from down and went up and down and up and down, so you can analyze all the pattern of this chart here and decide whether it's a good momentum moment to enter or not. Right now it's not, because it's going up and down, so you have to see break this trend line here, and then you start probably considering a trade. Okay, so this is the most important one, and believe me, nobody has this indicator. We are the only one to have it, and all these operations that I just mentioned to you are made automatically by our singularity scanner. So just let me find it. Here it is. Okay, we have right now, we have, this week has been a little bit slow, so let me see how many signals. We have 17 signals generated by the scanner. Monday it didn't generate anything because actually there was a missing formula on the scanner, so it didn't generate absolutely nothing. And then from yesterday, it started to generate yesterday, and there has been 16 trades. Okay, now we have the first trade for today, and it is running, and it's running in positive, while we have the statistics here that shows that we have got 12 trades that got in profit. Okay, you see here, and we've got 3 trades that got in loss. So in a total of 15 trades, you see that the loss is just the 20% of all the trades. Okay, so that means that the success rate right now in our scanner is at 80%. And believe me, this number 17 trades here is because they are quiet days, but in a normal good day it is able to generate even 40 signals. Okay, so just try it, and you don't have to get mad on trying to discover whether the momentum is good, or whether the correlation is good, or whether the strength matter, or the trend and everything like that is appropriate to take the trade, and which one is good or bad. It is done everything automatically directly on our singularity scanner, so you don't have to do a damn thing else than to copy and paste the values of the confirmed signals into your MT4. It's easy as you listen. Okay, so just don't miss this opportunity. Okay, sorry, I've got a microphone thing. Okay, it's okay now. So yeah, that's all. So follow our YouTube free signals. I'm gonna leave you the link, and also visit us on Telegram in order to see all the history of the scanner. Also consider that we are present on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. So just follow us, because every day we deliver free analysis and we deliver free information regarding to Forex activity, to the markets, and to update you with new signals and new news. Okay, this is everything we have for today. I hope you have a great day full of profit. Follow us and have yeah.